Been years in the making, but over-the-counter hearing aids are finally available. The FDA's decision to allow hearing aids to be sold without a prescription takes effect today, and the devices are expected to be on store shelves shortly thereafter if they're not there yet.
We have been anticipating the release of these regulations for probably 6 years, maybe even a little bit longer. It's something that came onto the radar of legislators and regulators quite a long time ago. And the focus has been on improving accessibility and affordability of hearing care.
Doctors say 80% of people with hearing loss have not tried to improve it, and the introduction of these over-the-counter hearing aids aims to change that. The hearing aids are designed for individuals 18 and older with perceived mild or moderate hearing issues. Those interested will not be required to have a medical exam or prescription before buying them, but doctors still recommend seeing an audiologist for a hearing test so you can learn more about what type of hearing difficulties you may have, as well as the different treatment options that are available.
I think over-the-counter devices are going to be a wonderful option for people who weren't ready to take that big step to fully understand their hearing loss, or maybe to see an audiologist in order to have a prescription device programmed. So this will be a great way for people to maybe have an entry point. And then when they're having more difficulty or the device isn't providing the benefit they need, they can come see an audiologist.
Doctors say more still needs to be done to raise awareness about hearing loss, even though it's one of the top 3 most common health conditions. A recent study showed only about 10% of other adults between the ages of 50 and 80 were able to properly identify what's considered a normal range of hearing.